Call her insurance. Just call them. I'm just wondering if you guys receive a call, because sometimes it is people here at night. What is the response to the call?
What do you mean?
If I had to call you guys, say somebody was out here,
loitering in the park,
something like that, yeah.
Yeah.
How would I call you, gentlemen? Would I use an address?
With the phone, 802 on the building.
802
right
East Vogel.
So as far as you gentlemen are concerned, it's 802 Vogel that I must call.
That's right.
Okay. May I ask what district you gentlemen are from, or precinct? I'm from the East Coast.
Desert Horizon Precinct. Desert Horizon.
All right, gentlemen.
It's the main.
Thank you. Gentlemen, have a nice day.
We work out of Sunnyslope, so.
Oh, it was a sub-district.
Yep.
Substation.
But it's the main mother precinct is Desert Horizon.
All right, thank you. Yep. Those are awesome bikes.
Yep.
Thank you, gentlemen. Have a nice day. Gentlemen, I approximate between 809 and 802 at the location that is a horizon, Sunnyslope. So if they are to respond to the call, they know to be as a part is clearly identified as 802. That would be the response. So, simple education, and when I learned it, oh, come on. Okay, good. Okay, there's the output. Simple circuit, Detroit 7. Just seen 5 police officers. I didn't bother to get the name. That wasn't part of my inquiry. My inquiry was, and I state, it was a melanated gentleman in the neighborhood of 5 feet 8, 5 feet 10, approximately 230 to 260 pounds. Not too sure about height to weight index. It's not like I'm a medical professional. Flanked by 2 Caucasians to the left, 2 to the right. None exceeding height of, I'm gonna say 5 feet 11, in the ranges of 5'9" to 5'11. Ranging in the neighborhood of say 180 pounds to in the neighborhood of almost 300. When asked, what did they consider this location to be as a park? The response given free was 802 votes, not 9626 North 9th Street. That's what I wanted to know. Thank you.